all kinds of acorns falling around me now. I've switched over to 1440p view so I can show a little bit more of the trail below me. I did a video last week talking about 1440p and the fact you can, we'll stop here a second and I'll make the video move. I'm going to keep the camera pointing in the exact same direction. I can either show more of what's on the trail or more of what's up in the trees just by having those extra top and bottom pixels. Lots of acorns falling. So I grew up, folks, about half a mile from here. This is interesting. We've got some poop from some sort of animal there. I don't know what that is. Could be, if it's a bear or deer, it's something sizable. So I'm keeping an eye out a little bit now for some tracks. As I say, my brother Tim said he was up here one year and wow, listen to that. I was listening to those acorns fall. I like that. Like a little natural drum beat. But Tim said he was up here one time and heard something just kind of tearing through the woods. And about maybe 10 yards in front of him, a bear came just running across the trail. Said the bear saw him and it scared the bear. And the bear took off another direction. So that was a happy ending to that story. Very gentle, easy trail. I'm going to bring up for a minute sort of how I dress for a hike. I get tickled at people that go out and buy wardrobe for hiking. I realize it looks cool to have your really good hiking shoes on and your your olive colored clothes, and that's that certain, what am I trying to say, mass general store sort of look that people go for, right? Flannel and Carhartts and stuff like that. If I'm hunting, which I haven't hunted in a long time, but if I'm hunting, I guess I dress more the part because I'm trying to blend in. When I'm hiking though, I typically dress kind of as you see me now, in a pair of workout pants, bright colored shirt, just in case I were to fall and break a leg or some other something tragic thing happened, so people can find me. And on my feet, rather than hiking boots and stuff, this is just me now, I like New Balance running shoes, the kind that have some tread on them and they're super comfortable. So I'm going for comfort and lightweight with a good sole that grips the rocks. So, I don't know. I kind of think it's funny to see the professional hikers. Pretty ferns and stuff. The higher up you go, the more prevalent you see the ferns. So we've probably climbed an elevation, I don't know, maybe 300 feet. Just for my friends, If you want to avoid poison ivy, that is some poison ivy there. Leaves of 3, leave it be, right? And it will get red actually before it is finished. So I'm quite allergic to it. I'm gonna leave it be. See, once again, more poison ivy, poison oak as people might call it. That's what you're looking for, folks. Don't mess with that stuff. Don't touch it. Don't sit near it or let it rub on you. It actually has to make contact with your skin to give you the rash. It actually transfers an oil to your skin, which causes irritation and little blisters. Some people are way worse allergic to it than others. Another kind of death trap there, isn't it? Be good if the Forest Service, they probably don't come up this trail very often. That's the kind of thing it'll eventually come down. We'll just move swiftly under it. I would be interested with my GoPro to see those lichens and growths on it. So I'm reaching, gee whiz, probably about 10 or 11 feet up there, just to see what's on this top of this tree growing. It looks pretty, kind of interesting, different. Okay, get out from under this baby.